Example 1.10. Show that the system of equations 2x plus y equal to 5, 4x plus 2y equal to 10 are consistent and solve them. We have to prove it is consistent. To prove it is consistent, it is enough to prove rank A equal to rank AB. So first thing we have to prove this. To find the rank, we have to split this equation into matrix form. Coefficient matrix 2, coefficient of y is 1, coefficient of x is 4 and coefficient of y is 2. The variables here are x, y. B equal to 5, 10. Make sure both the constants are right hand side of the equation. Augmented matrix. A and B I am going to join together. This is A, this is B. So what I have to do? I have to make this one. Instead, first thing I have to make this one, or I can make this number 0. That also I can skip. I can skip step 1. What is the meaning of step 1? To make the number 1. So it's not compulsory. If it is easy to, if you have 1 there. If you don't have 1, leave it. Second step is to make this number 0. So you skip this step. You concentrate on the second row first element to become 0. To make this 0, I have to multiply the first row with R1 with 2 and subtract R2. R1 I have to multiply with 2. So see R2. R2 is 4, 2 and 10. R1 I have to multiply with 2. 4, 2 and 10. If you subtract, it will become 0. So this is also equivalent form. So no need, it has to be 1. If it is 1, calculation will be easy. If it is not 1, calculation will be longer. Here in this sum, without making 1 also, sum looks very simple. So I have gone to the second step. Now, rank of A. So this is A. What is rank? Number of non-zero rows. This is 0 row. Non-zero row is 1. So rank of A is 1. What is AB? Full. In the full matrix, that is 2 rows and 3 columns, 1 row is completely 0. So rank of AB is 1. If both are equal, it is consistent. Number of unknowns. How many number of unknowns are there? Number of unknowns are x and y. I got 2 unknowns. But rank is less than number of unknowns. So it is consistent and infinitely many solution. Okay. If this is 2, this is 2, this is 2, it will have unique solution. If it is less than the number of unknown, it will have infinitely many solution. So I have written it as infinitely many solution. Next is you find the infinitely many solution. Solve them. Find x and y. So what I have to do? I have to change this augmented matrix into Ax equal to B form. This is A. 2, 1, 0, 0. This is xy equal to 5, 0. I frame the equation. First row, first column, 2x plus 1y equal to 5. Second row 0, 0. Here also 0. So no second row. Only one equation. I got 2 unknowns. I have to find 2 values. But only one equation. So what I have to do? I will take this y as k. K means any real number. R means any real number. So I take y as k. So 2x plus k equal to 5. 2x equal to 5 subtraction k. X equal to 5 subtraction k divided by 2. So I have found out x and I have found out y. If I change k value, I will get infinitely many x and y's. So that is called infinitely many solution. Very important 3 mark sum. We go to the next one. Example 1.17. Investigate for what values of A and B the following system of equations 1, 2 and 3 have no solution, unique solution and infinite number of solution. Okay, so I have to find the value of A and B. So I have written the 3 equation. Always check x plus y plus z equal to 6, x plus 2y plus 3z equal to 10. X plus 2y plus az equal to b. This is b. Don't mistake with the 6. This is b. Capital A, capital X and capital B. Augmented matrix. A and B I have to combine. This is A and this is B. First step I have 1, so it's well and good. Now I have to make these two numbers 0 using R1. What is R2? R2 minus R1. What is R3? R3 minus R1. Since it is very simple, I have written the answer straight. See, 1 minus 1, 0. 2 minus 1, it is 1. 3 minus 1, it is 2. 10 minus 6, it is 4. 1 minus 1, it is 0. 2 minus 1, it is 1. A subtraction 1. B subtraction 6. Okay. Now I must make this number 0. Using R2. If you see the number in R2, it is 1. So, direct subtraction will do. R3 implies R3 subtraction R2. First row same. Second row same. Third row. 0 minus 0, 0. 1 subtraction 0, 0. A minus 1 minus 2. So, A minus 3. B minus 6 minus 4. It is B minus 10. It is in equivalent form. Now, I must find out what are the values for A and B to satisfy 3 condition. Okay. So, now we'll see what happens. Suppose if I take A equal to 3. A equal to 3. B equal to 10. See. A equal to 3. B equal to 10. What happens? 0, 0, 0, 0. All the last row will become 0. So the last row will become 0. Last row will become 0. So fully become 0 means rank of A is 2, rank of AB is 2, which is rank of A is 2, rank of AB is 2, which is less than 3. 3 means number of unknowns x, y, z. So it has infinitely many solutions. We'll see what happens if A minus 3, A is equal to 0. That is A equal to 3, A minus 3 will become 0. This is 0. This term is 0. This is not equal to 0. B minus 10 not equal to 0. So B is not equal to 10. What happens if in that way? So this is not equal. This is equal to 3. A is equal to 3. A is equal to 3. So what will become here? A becomes 3 means 0, 0, 0. A becomes 3 means 0, 0, 0. B is not equal to 10. Not equal to 10 means not equal to 0. See, if you see that A, matrix A, last row is fully 0. So rank of A is equal to 2. If you take AB, full AB, here not equal to 0, non-zero row. So rank of AB is 3. Both are not equal. So it has no solution. Now we'll see what happens if this is not equal to 0. A minus 3 is not equal to 0. That is A is not equal to 0. A is not equal to 0 implies what? 0, 0. This is not equal to 0. A is not equal to 3. Not equal to 3 means this will not become 0. Okay. B can take any value. B can take 0 or B can not equal to 0. Whatever may be the value. Check. A. This is not equal to 0. So rank of A is 3. AB. It can have 0 or non-zero, whatever may be. But this row contains non-zero element here. So rank of AB is also 3. Okay. Number of unknown is 3, x, y, z. All the 3 are equal means it has unique solution. Many students make mistake by rating A minus 3 not equal to 0, B minus 3 not equal to 0. B can take 3 or what is the value for B? B can be 10 or B not equal to 10. Whatever may value. If B is 10, this becomes 0. B is not equal to 10, this will not become 0. Okay, in whatever may be the case. So I have written B can take any value, whatever value it can take. So A is not equal to 3, B can take any value, then we have unique solution. Very, very important 5 mark. So go through that properly. Okay, next miscellaneous problem. Fifth one, find the value of K if the equation 1, 2 and 3 are consistent. What is the meaning of consistent? Rank A equal to rank AB. Okay, I have to find the value of K using consistent. Matrix capital A, matrix capital X, matrix capital B, augmented matrix A and B. First number, if it is 1, it will be easy. I have 1 already, so I am going to interchange R1 and R3. So AB equivalent 1 7 minus 6K 2 3 minus 1 5, second row same. What is the next one? I must make these two numbers 0 using R1. So R2 implies R2 subtraction 3R1. R3 implies R3 subtraction 2R1. We'll check R3. 3 minus 1, 4, 2. R1 I multiply by 3. 3, 21 minus 18, 3K. If you subtract, this becomes 0. This become minus, so minus 22. This become plus, so plus 22. This is 2 subtraction 3K. Very, very important. 2 subtraction 3K. The next one. R3. 2, 3 minus 1, 5. R1 I have to multiply with 2. 2, 14 minus 12, 2K. Subtract 0. 3 minus 14 minus 11. Minus 1 plus 12, it is plus 11. 5 subtraction 2K. I must make this number 0 using the number above. Here minus 22, so I must multiply by 2 to make it minus 22. Then I can change the sign. So 2R3 subtraction R2. 2R3. So what is 2R3? Now multiply R3 with 2. 0 minus 22. 22. If you multiply by 2, it will become 10 minus 4K. Then here it is minus 22. 22. 2 subtraction 3K. Change the sign. This become plus, this will become minus. This is minus 2 plus 3K. Now we'll add the answer. See, 0, 0, 0. 10 minus 2, 8. Minus 4K plus 3K, it is minus K. Okay. What they have given? They have given it is consistent. Consistent means rank of A equal to rank AB. Already I know what is rank A. What is rank A? It is 2. See, non-zero row. Non-zero row is 2. This is A. 0 row. Non-zero row is 2. So this is 2. AB compulsorily it has to be 2. So this has to be 0. 8 minus K is 0 means K equal to 8. So you have to think the rule, then solve the problem. Okay, suppose they have asked it is inconsistent. Same question. Instead of consistent, if they ask inconsistent, rank of A is not equal to rank AB. Rank of A is 2. Rank of AB must not be 2. So this must not become 0. So K is not equal to 8. If they asked inconsistent. They have asked consistent, both has to be equal. So here all the elements must be equal. So K equal to 8. Okay. Find K if the equations are inconsistent. What is the meaning of inconsistent? Rank of A is not equal to rank AB. See, A, X, B. Augmented matrix. First number is already 1. So one step is over. Second, I have to make these two numbers 0 using R1. So R2 subtraction 3R1. Shall we write R2? R2 is 3 minus 1 minus 1, 4. I have to multiply the first row with 3. So what is the answer? It is 0, minus 1, minus 3, minus 4, minus 1, minus 3, minus 4, 4 subtraction 3, 1. Okay. R3 minus R1. What is R3? 155K. R1 is 111. Subtract. So 0, 4, 4, K minus 1. Okay. So these two numbers are 0. Second step is over. Third step, I must make this number 0 using the number just above to it. C4, 4. Plus sign, minus sign. Enough to add. Very simple. So I can add straight away. No need to write. Answer 0. This is 0. This is 0. K minus 1. I must add 1. So these two get cancelled. 0. K. What they have given? Inconsistent. Now we'll see what is rank A. Rank A is 2. Rank A is 2. So inconsistent means rank AB is not equal to 2. If it is K is 0, AB will become 2. K is not equal to 0, AB is 3. So K is not equal to 0 is the answer. So whatever number may be given, if you understand the concept, sum will be very, very simple. Okay. So first chapter is over. Go through all the problems. Example sum, last example sums also you go through. See whether you understand. Tuesday we have class. Monday I will tell you which chapter we are going to deal with. Before that, suppose I may conduct Tuesday a test. Okay. So we'll see. Thank you, boys.